Guys, good morning to all of you. I Kordapya in Australia. I live here in Australia for 18 years. Guys, this is my first time I experienced this kind of watermelon. I bought watermelon in Fairfield Supermarket near in Nita City, Chase Building. And you know what? I just bought this one 2 days, no, yeah, 2 days, 3 days ago, 3 days ago. And you know what happened to the watermelon? Look at this, guys. I'm about to cut it, slice it, but what happened to this, guys? You know, see, look, and it melting, and this, you know, skin, guys, like plastic, guys. See, look, plastic. Oh, plastic. It's not like that. Very hard. Super hard, guys. And you cannot do that to your own nails. If this is true watermelon, you can do this. You can press and you can cut with your nails. But this one, no, you cannot. Super hard. And look at that, watery, guys. See, watery. It's not like that. The watermelon not like that. Look. And this one, guys, it's not like that. See, it's so smelly, like a rotten rock. So smelly. So look at the watermelon. See, and the skin. See, look. I'm about to slice, but it's the water drifting. See? It's not. See? See? Inside. This is inside, guys. This is watermelon in Australia. Hey! Hey, guys! Wake up, people! Wake up, Australian people! Be careful of buying stuff like in supermarket. Look at that. This is fruit market in Fairfield, near in Nita City. That is outside, near in Bingley before Fairfield. There is a Bingley in front of Bingley before Bingley, the shop, the appliances. There are lots of appliances. That was before, but this shop, I bought this watermelon near in front of Bingley before, near in Chemist Warehouse in Fairfield. See, so scary, guys, because even this one, guys, see, plastic. Oh, you cannot even pinch. See, so hard to pinch. See that? It melting. That's the watermelon. And 3 days ago, I bought this one. Why it comes out like this? Wake up, Australian people. You need to be careful of buying, because the fake watermelon, fake banana are already here in Australia. See you and be vigilant.